Flegg Projects, specialists in machinery moving for over 50 years. Whether it's factory relocations, medical systems, or industrial machinery, we've got you covered. Our expert team handles every detail, from dismantling to installation, ensuring minimal downtime and maximum safety. With a skilled team and cutting-edge technology, we tailor each product to your unique needs, delivering swift and efficient results. From local deliveries to international moves, our logistic solutions eliminate delays and minimize risks, keeping your project on track. Flegg Projects, trusted machinery movers, reducing disruption and ensuring success every time.